KBGA Missoula, you're listening to Missing 中国. Today our language theme is the 12th, the last earthly branch called Hai, which is usually related to the animal of horoscope pigs. And so I'll use Hai, the homophone, meaning to hurt or to harm, as the theme. And so can you relate it to any movies, Mr. C?
Sure. So if you say hurt or harm, I think about things in movies that make me feel pain watching them, right? Very little that I see in a movie makes me feel that way. There is, for instance, a scene in the 1981 movie Dead and Buried. I'll say the title again for you, Dead and Buried,
Thank
in
you.
which someone gets a needle, a syringe plunged into their eyeball. That is a difficult scene to watch. There's also a difficult scene to watch in Bone Tomahawk or Tomahawk. I'm not going to say what it is because I want it to be a surprise, but I can't watch that particular scene without feeling pain. Now that's physical pain, but I believe real harm, the real harm that can be caused to a human being is psychological harm. And to me, the most painful, the most difficult things to see, the harm or the hurt in a motion picture, are things like electroshock therapy or lobotomies. So for instance, in One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, that's the name of the movie, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, and also Angel at My Table, an Australian movie. Both movies depict electroshock therapy in a way that is very uncomfortable to watch. And there's also a movie about the actress Frances Farmer, who gets a lobotomy because in the 1950s, psychologists were so evil. Not that they're any less evil today, but they were so evil back then, they were chipping away pieces of people's brains. And in Frances, the movie Frances, which is about Frances Farmer, starring Jessica Lange, she gets a lobotomy. It's a very difficult scene to watch.
Well, I think people did that because at that time they believed that this would help, not that they know it would hurt them, right?
Well, I think that that's okay to look at it that way, so long as today, when medical professionals, especially in the West, are doing things that are new, as long as they allow criticism and skepticism about these things, that's fine. So that in 30 or 50 years from now, when we realize what they did today was also medieval and terrible, we can feel vindicated, and the people who critique it today don't get persecuted for simply being critical thinkers.
That's right. Okay. Thank you for the recommended films and enjoy, everybody.